Oh, hey there. I am in a somewhat dreamy mood today. So, we are going to explore Venice to the tunes of some wonderful and calming piano. Want to get aboard a gondola and not spend 100 euros? Or sit by the famous Rialto bridge and not lose a fortune while getting some good meal? I might have the answers. How to board a gondola for 2 or something euros. Along the famous Grand Canal, there are a few spots called gondola traghetto. Translated, it's something like a gondola ferry service, where you can actually board a gondola and not go broke. Yes, the ride may not be that picturesque or long, but you can still say you were aboard a gondola. And trust me when I say, it might be a good idea to try it for a short amount of time first. The boat is pretty unstable. This is something you are likely to see in some movies. And I believed it was the thing you get to see only in movies, not in the real world. The way the residents hang their laundry, it is so typical here, especially in our neighborhood, Castello. The laundry strings are everywhere. It seems interesting that you have to kind of ask the inhabitants of the house across from you to nail a hook in their wall. And these houses, not only they hang their clothes over a canal, I would be terrified. With my skills, my laundry would definitely end up in the water below. These people nailed the other hook to a wall of a church. Isn't that something? Italy is truly, truly something. You never get tired of looking around. It's just so beautiful. And this is another thing you can never get tired of. Sitting in a cafe, sipping your coffee, being there in that very moment. What more can you ask for? To me, it sounds perfect. There are various restaurants by the Rialto Bridge, and all of them will advertise themselves as amazing. The waiters would try to convince you to sit in their restaurant, and there is so many you really wouldn't know which one to choose. I have one advice, or technically it's what we've discovered. It's a rule. It doesn't apply always fine, but it goes something like this. Usually, when a restaurant has an attractive location, they don't have to care that much about their menu and the food they cook. So, the meals are average and oftentimes even below average. While sometimes a place you wouldn't dare step in turns out to be the best restaurant you've ever tried. If we're talking about Rialto, this one is my tip. We enjoy their pizza and pasta, and the view is truly beautiful. I again woke up early and made a trip to the island of Burano. It is so amazing to watch the island wake up. I know I've probably mentioned this before, but still, It's so gorgeous. I wanted to discover this place a bit more. And look what I found. A place called Officina del Sapone. If you visit Burano, do yourself a favor and go inside this shop. Just enter. They produce handmade soaps, among other gorgeous things. Besides, it smells perfectly inside. And of course it wouldn't be a true Burano Island trip without getting myself a croissant from this bakery and a morning coffee. I'm not sure if I wanted to say or add something more this week. Have any questions or thoughts? Well, leave them down below. I am always excited to read them. And with that, I think I would love to wish you a great day. And I will see you again soon. Bye!